Imagine yourself in this 2017 Acura ILX. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Acura audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.